Hello FCI, my name's Chris Weatherburn, GP in Dundee and interim chair of the SCIMP working group. I'd like to thank my co-authors and outline how we developed a national code list for use in primary care. Firstly, the main thing is to know why you're doing this. This was to assist day-to-day running of general practice. It would assist, for example, if a patient is sent to hospital or if a patient's data needs to be transferred from one practice to another. In addition, if there is less variation in coding, then secondary uses of data are enhanced. We asked informaticians, relevant parties, and also national projects about their coding requirements. We took this data and added a previous SCIMP list which had a similar purpose along with an out-of-hours code list SCIMP had developed. Put this all onto a very large Excel sheet and sorted it into read chapters. At that point, we used mapping tables to assess how these read codes mapped to SNOMED CT. So we would exclude, in that example, septicemia and instead include sepsis. If not matched, like this example, we would then interrogate SNOMED CT and find the best match there is to read. So frequently we included read synonyms. The code list was then checked for accuracy and currency by NSS terminology services. We then sent this to users who fed back that they would like a suggested priority for these codes. Therefore, two clinical informaticians independently reviewed the entire proposed code list and came up with priorities. We then compared the suggested priorities, and if there was a discrepancy, used a third informatician to come up with an agreed priority. Overall, we had 1,260 codes, the majority of which were high priority. You can see this covered the whole of read, and at this point, I would like to thank you for listening and hope that you enjoy the rest of the conference.